5:43 in the morning. I got some pre-workout and I also took some greens. I've been taking these every day. It has probiotics, enzymes, multivitamin, apple cider vinegar, all that good stuff. So I've been taking that every morning. Today's video is gonna be a what I eat in a day, and I'm excited to just share some of the meals that I've been eating. For now, we're gonna go get in a full body workout. I'm gonna start by setting up the bar for some deadlifts. There's something about the feeling of lifting a heavy weight from the ground that just makes deadlifts one of my all-time favorite workouts. For me, there's no better way to kick off a leg day or even a full body routine than with a few sets of this exercise. I've recently stepped up my deadlift game, going from lifting 170 to 190 pounds. It's been a challenge to lift even more than a few reps, but my fitness journey, which has now become a lifestyle, has inspired me to just aim for greater muscle growth and strength. Like, I just want to be strong. It's been a challenge, but I'm determined to keep going. When I first started, I struggled to lift even 100 pounds. So now I'm almost able to deadlift 200. My fitness journey has become a permanent lifestyle, and I'm just proud of the progress that I've made so far. When I'm doing deadlifts, I feel strong, but it's something about doing upper body lifts that make me feel strong. For upper body, I'm starting with an overhead press using 20-pound dumbbells. I remember when I first tried this exercise, 12 pounds felt like a struggle. It's amazing how much progress you can make when you prioritize yourself and you don't give up on your goals. I absolutely love doing front squats on leg day. They're my second favorite exercise after deadlifts, and whenever I do them, I feel incredibly strong and powerful. I have so many fitness goals that I want to achieve, but for now, I'm just proud and grateful for my journey and just how far I've come.
So if I'm doing it facing you, I'm gonna go on 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Stop, stand, stop.
Having just a breakfast sandwich. This is a toasted English muffin and 2 eggs. It's 2 o'clock, it's lunchtime. I'm currently cutting some chicken breast for lunch today. I'm gonna make a burrito bowl. For seasonings, I'm just gonna keep it simple today. I'm gonna do some pink Himalayan salt, pepper, some garlic, and some onion powder. I'm also gonna do some of this Kinder's taco blend, which is pretty good. Alright. We're gonna season the other side.
I know what I'm doing. Look! I'm doing it. What the?
4:47, and I'm gonna have this Oikos Greek yogurt. This is 15 grams of protein, and for the day it'll put me at 160 grams of protein. I still practice intermittent fasting, so I'll be starting my fast after this. I usually start my fast around 4 o'clock, sometimes 5 if I haven't got enough protein for the day, but usually around 4. I am gonna get in another workout later on after I get off of work. I'm gonna finish up some cardio. I am behind in my water, so I need to catch up, but I'll most likely catch up and drink all my water during my cardio today. For now, I'm gonna have this yogurt, and then I'll be starting my fasting.